Hello and welcome to another video about GVERSE Geophysics, the new seismic interpretation package for geographics. This video is about adding wells and related data to your scene and the different options we have available. To add your wells, just click the plus icon next to your well from the interpretation tree and the well will become a part of your scene. But this method works only if you have a few wells to add. When adding or choosing wells from a longer list, I can use my well-based filters to find the wells that I need. So if I'm looking for wells with core data, for example, I can run my filter and then add these wells to my scene as well. And we can see a lot more information than just the well symbol and the well trajectory in the 3D space. These are all available as options in the display settings of the well. Here I can do the simple stuff like changing the color of the symbol or selecting the information I want displayed next to the symbol. I can also change stuff like the thickness of my bore and so on. But we also have access to more advanced information, like all of your formation tops. I can display tops along the well. I can adjust their size, choose what information to display along the tops. I can also assign different colors to each individual top. So I can make this red, I can make this one yellow. I can choose which formations to display and which ones I don't want. You can also display up to 2 log curves along the well bore. I can set curve 1 as DT and I'm going to set curve 2 as GR. I can configure each track individually. For example, I can increase the track width so that it's easier to see, or change the location of the track around the well bore, change the scale settings, the color palette, and a lot more. Additionally, instead of using 2 tracks to display the curves, I can also choose to draw a curve around the well bore in the lathe mode. So now my log curve is drawn around the well bore. And once you have everything set up for your well, you can copy these settings to all of the wells in the scene. I'm just going to copy everything except the log curve settings, and when I hit OK, the symbol, the tops, and the borehole data settings are all copied over, and you don't have to configure every single well in the scene individually. In addition to individual well settings, we have options that apply to the entire scene up in the ribbon here. I can use these to temporarily hide objects across the scene. So if I don't want to see formation tops for any well, instead of having to set it up for each individual well, I can just turn it off here and that's going to hide all the formations for all the wells available in my scene. You also get this warning icon here in the display settings informing you that the reason you don't see your formation tops is because the scene setting is turned off, even though they're still turned on for your individual well. So that's a summary of what you can do with the well data in terms of visualization. For more information about GVERSE Geophysics and what it can do for you, please visit our website lmkr.com/gverse, and thank you for watching.